Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evidence, and in today's video I am going to show you how to rename your column names. So to begin, let's go ahead and load the data we are going to be using, and let's go ahead and import Pandas as PD. Shift Enter executes the current cell you are in and creates a new cell below it. And let's just go ahead and load our data. And let's get a preview of our data set. And this is a preview of what our data set looks like. And in this video, we are going to just quickly rename some of these columns right here. So we have renew offer type, number of policies, number of complaints. So we can do some renaming just to show you how it's done. So renaming stuff is actually very simple. And to do it, you just do the data frame is equal to data frame dot rename, and then parentheses, and then you put in a dictionary of what you want to do. So this dictionary is kind of like a map. You can do the dictionary first and then just put in the dictionary variable here, or you can do it in here like I'm doing right now. So let's rename effective to date to just date. And let's rename it to just date. And let's just pick a few more. And let's do something like location code. Let's just call it location. And let's just do one more just for the fun of it. Let's do something like monthly premium auto. Let's just call it premium. All right, let's go ahead and run this code. Now let's just do df.head again. And actually, I made a little mistake. When we did df.head, as you can see, this doesn't change. We have to specify that these are the columns. So you need to do something like columns equal to this for it to actually work. So let's go ahead and run this again and run this again. As you can see right here, location was changed, and our monthly premium auto was also changed, but effective to date didn't change because I made a typo. So if you look up here, I have a space between effective to date. That's a typo, and that's why it's not working. So if we go ahead and remove that extra space and run this again, you can see that effective to date has changed to date. Location code has changed to location. And if you scroll to the right a little bit, you see that monthly premium auto has changed to premium. So that's basically it. That is the basics of how to rename a column. Alternatively, what you could have done is you could have done something like, let me give you a new example. Let's call it let's say dictionary is equal to, let's see, something like, let's choose education and change it to edu. And let's just choose one more. Let's see, month since last claim, and let's just call it claim. So you can predefine a dictionary like this and then basically do the same thing. So let's call it df2 is equal to df dot rename, and then you can do and here you can go ahead and say columns is equal to dictionary. And if you execute this and now do df2 dot head, as you can see, education has been changed to edu, and was a month since last claim has been changed to claim. So first of all, you can go ahead and specify a dictionary like this. before using it in your columns. So that's basically it for this video. That is how you rename a column. And you can find me online at evidencen.com. That's my primary website. And here I have my data science blog post. You can come and check that out. And also in the link in the description below, I have machinelearningeducation.com. This is where I keep all my resources. So if you go here, you'll be able to get access to all my free resources. This notebook that I use in today's video and the notebooks that I use in subsequent videos and all my blog posts can be found here. I just found it easier to have all my resources, all my notebooks, all my videos, all my blog posts under one platform. So go to machinelearningeducation.com/free to get access to this notebook and any resource I use in my YouTube videos and blog posts. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you did not like this video but you made it this far, please give it a double thumbs down and still subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.